Steve Lloyd. I'm from Lynchburg, Virginia. We have a company of 80 employees. It's called Lloyd Concrete Services. We do all types of concrete work. We're not just geared to one thing. We use the Batt Screed on the Concrete 101 training. It's an introduction to concrete finishing, and we use it to strike off the concrete. That screed really did a good job. I'm really impressed with that screed. The versatility of it, the lightweightness of it, the easy to move it around, and it really closed the concrete up well. The thing of it is two people can move that screed very easily, and that's what I like about it. Yesterday we poured with it, and we had a 3 3/4 inch slump, which is pretty tight. Most people aren't going to pour that. It pulled the concrete down. We made a couple passes and got the concrete flat. Today we were up to about a 6-inch slump, and it worked like a champ. You take guys that never have run one and they pick it up like that and go with it. I mean, I've said enough, you know. I mean, it's pretty awesome.